Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration section. After that, just tap on the volume and here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to to change the volume of your ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this volume button control switcher is turned off to use your volume buttons here to change the ringtone, not the medias. And now just press your up or down volume button. You can also change the ringtone volume of your device, and also by swiping this volume panel manually to the right or to the down, to the up or to the down. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.